Hello, namaste to everybody in LTMPC provided by CP Paudel. I'm starting from basic knowledge of geometry. If you are interested in geometry, please enjoy it. Geometry. Background. The commonly known word meaning of geometry in Nepali is geomiti. The word geometry is derived from the Greek word geo and metron. Geo means earth and metron means measurement. So, geometry means the measurement of earth. In place of metron, metria is also found in some articles. Ancient Egyptian Greek some 2900 BC used geometry to measure land to construct pyramids and in astronomy. Euclid around 300 BC contributed in geometry. Even today, Euclid's contribution is highly appreciated in the art of mathematics. So, Euclid is normally accepted as founder or father of geometry. His main contribution in geometry is the Euclid's Elements. Euclid's Elements or the Elements contain 13 volumes of books. They are as follows. 1. Triangles, parallels and area. 2. Geometric algebra. 3. Circles. 4. Construction of inscribed and circumscribed figures. 5. Theory of proportions. 6. Similar figures and proportions. 7. Fundamentals of number theory. 8. Continued proportion in number theory. 9. Number theory. 10. Classification of incommensurables. 11. Solid geometry. 12. Measurement of figures. 13. Regular solids. Actual in practice, geometry is used everywhere. So, geometry is an important branch of mathematics in which we study about point, lines, line segments, parallel lines, angles, plane surfaces of different shape such as triangle, convex quadrilaterals. In convex quadrilaterals, simple quadrilaterals such as kite and trapezium. In trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle and square are studied. Concave quadrilaterals, polygons, conic sections such as circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. We also study about perimeter and area of the above mentioned figures, cross-section area, lateral surface area, total surface area and volume of prismatic solids such as cube, cuboid are also subject matter of study in geometry. Geometry also deals about the curved surface area, total surface area and volume of cylinder, sphere, hemisphere and cone. Pyramids, polyhedra and frustums are also interesting subject matter of geometry. Generally, geometry is divided into Euclidean and non-Euclidean geometry. The geometry under the Euclid's Elements is Euclidean geometry, where we basically study about axioms, postulates, assumptions, points, lines, planes, theorems and proofs about angles, triangles, quadrilaterals and circles. The 13 books of elements or the elements refer to Euclidean geometry. Any geometry which doesn't belong to Euclidean geometry is non-Euclidean geometry. Spherical geometry and hyperbolic geometry are the branches of non-Euclidean geometry. The branches of non-Euclidean geometry. 1. Spherical geometry. This is a branch of non-Euclidean geometry in which we study about the plane geometry on the surface of the sphere. In other words, it is two-dimensional geometry in which we study geometrical figures in the surface of a sphere. 2. Hyperbolic geometry. This is another branch of non-Euclidean geometry. It is also called saddle surface geometry or pseudo-spherical geometry or Bolyai-Lobachevskian geometry, which rejects the fifth postulate, i.e. parallel postulate of Euclidean geometry. Actually, hyperbolic geometry is a curved space which is widely used in the special theory of relativity. Thank you in this slide. See you again in the next slides. Thank you.